it's like I said, it's a shocking, difficult, a time that I don't know. I think it's changed all of us forever. Especially Sushant's uh, demise, his loss is not just a loss to the creative industry. It's also a personal loss for all of us who are a part of the television industry, because he was one person because of whose success, looking at home, it put the fire back in our belly. It would say that he was such a. I just was mentioning to someone that he was not just a human being. He had become more like a symbol. He had become like a symbol of change. He had become like a symbol of transformation. That here is a guy who's been who's been
journey.
a part of the same circumstance and a part of the same journey. He's been able to kind of evolve so beautifully, so gracefully. He's been able to win, and not just win for himself, but for the entire industry. He's been able to win. He's been able to set a precedent, which now which now will be the new precedents he had set. And I think we are at a point of a very big change, which is happening right now in the industry. So yeah. So, but I even though I met at very rare occasions with Sushant and very few gatherings and everything, but I had huge regard, huge respect for him, and he inspired me a lot. Just kind of sampling his work used to inspire me a lot. Just seeing his craft used to inspire me a lot. He was such an all-rounder performer. मैं एक बात कहता हूँ, ये शायद ज्यादातर लोगों ने नोटिस नहीं की होगी, या मुझे लगता है कि शायद आपने, मुझे पता नहीं नोटिस की है कि नहीं. सुशांत का बायो है उसके इंस्टाग्राम पे. Do you know what it says? I am fairly certain that nobody has noticed it yet. It says a photon in a double slit. So if you go to the bio, you will see it. It's written, and now it's there for posterity. A photon in a double slit. Now for that you need to know the double slit experiment. You should read about it. It's an interesting experiment. So it basically goes to say that when electrons are fired from two slits, they behave differently when they have an observer versus when they do not have an observer. Which basically goes to say that somehow these electrons know that they are being perceived, know that they are being observed. So this whole double slit experiment sometimes is considered to be an anomaly. So and a photon is the smallest particle of light. A photon, from where the word photo, as in light, or photosynthesis or photophobia, it comes from. So photon is a solitary photon, a single photon. So it cannot travel through the double slit. There are so many impossibilities. Yet a photon in a double slit experiment it's made possible. So I personally got goosebumps the first time I read this status, this bio, and I was drawing my own parallels in my head. Maybe I feel that might have been the intention why he wrote it, because he was an anomaly in an anomaly. He was an impossibility in an impossibility. He broke so many barriers, professionally. He broke so many barriers, so many preconceived notions, so many lenses he changed, so many perspectives he changed, so much precedence he created, and he reached where he reached. And I mean, first there is such a perspective to television actors being of a certain kind, and whether that question mark, whether or not they'll be able to add value to a big movie project, so to say. I mean, I think they should be looking at skill sets rather than mass perspectives or a popular perspective, and just going by that lens. That's not fair to anyone. But Sushant was able to break through this perspective, even though it's such a rampant perspective. He was able to break through it. He found his space in Kai Po Che, and now the fight was to then kind of grow by leaps and bounds. He did that too. So while he was going through his own journey of successes and peaks and challenges, he probably did not even know how many people that man was inspiring. And in the process, or you would always see him giving his, it because you're from the same industry. How much a creative investment, spiritual investment, mental investment he has given, because you could see that. You could see it when he was dancing. There are so many events that again, despite it's ironic that me and him never truly kind of interacted or met, but we were always a part of the same circle somehow. We have so many common friends. We would often ऐसा होता था कि मेरी performance हुई, मैं stage से गया और सुशांत ऊपर आया stage perform करने के लिए. So I know how much it takes to engage people for those 4 or 5 minutes, and I know कितना hard work, कितनी madness, कितना heart, कितनी spiritual investment लगी होगी, कितनी जान, कितना दम लगा होगा उस stage पे या उस set पे खुद को
लोगों को engage
रखने, अपना full लोगों को engage रखने के लिए, and he successfully did that, and he'll always have my respect and regard and love and prayer for eternal happiness forever, for this. And in some ways, in many ways, in fact, all of us are and will continue to be indebted to Sushant.